Hello, I'm Smita Doshi from India. In spite of being preventable, cervical cancer is the most common or the second most common cancers among women in many low and middle income countries who do not have access to screening. Female sex workers have about tenfold increased risk of having HPV infection, and therefore they have an increased risk of having cervical abnormalities or CIN. We are reporting the feasibility of implementing screen and treat strategy for cervical cancer prevention among FSWs. We enrolled 300 FSWs in the study. After a written informed consent and demographic data collection, their blood samples were collected for HIV, syphilis serology and HBsAg. They were screened using cytology, visual inspection of the cervix using acetic acid, that is VIA, and visual inspection of the cervix using Lugol's iodine, that is Willi. All of them underwent colposcopy, biopsy if required, and treatment using cold coagulation if it was indicated. Cold coagulation is an ablative treatment modality for the treatment of CIN. Cold coagulation, it is actually a misnomer and it is heat coagulation. And this method has several advantages over cryotherapy, such as its easy portability. The treatment time is shorter, there is less discomfort to the patient, and it only requires electricity as compared to refilling of the gas that is required for cryotherapy. Of the 300 FSWs enrolled, 33% were HIV infected, 10% were positive for syphilis serology and 2% were positive for HBsAg. All of them screened positive by all three screening tests. The overall prevalence of CIN2-3 lesions in FSWs was around 5%. All CIN2-3 lesions were seen in HIV-infected FSWs only, and therefore the prevalence of CIN in HIV-infected FSWs was 14%. Treatment using cold coagulation was well tolerated without any appreciable side effects. Globally, there have been substantial efforts for prevention of HIV infection among FSWs, and we believe that it is feasible to integrate cervical cancer screening and treatment of CIN for cervical cancer prevention in this highly vulnerable group. Thank you.